Assalamualaikum students, open your mathematics books page number 107. Today we will solve page number 107. On this page we have two activities. The first one is subtract and the second one is write in words. Firstly we will do subtraction. Subtraction means take away. Let's start. Look at the first question. We have to subtract 2 from 5. We will draw 5 lines here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We will cut 2 lines. 1, 2. And remaining lines are 3. 1, 2, 3. So we will write here 3. Look at the next question. We have to subtract 3 from 9. We will draw 9 lines here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We will cut 3 lines. 1, 2, 3 and remaining lines are, we will count them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We will write here 6. The next question is, we have to subtract 2 from 6. We will draw here 6 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We will cut 2 lines. 1 and 2. The remaining lines are 4. We will write here 4. The last question is, we have to subtract 7 from 9. We will draw 9 lines here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We will cut 7 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And remaining lines are 2. So we will write here 2. Let's start another activity. Here we have some numbers and we have to write the number names. The first one is 60. S-I-X-T-Y-T 60. S-I-X-T-Y-T 60. Next number is 70. Write here 70. S-E-V-E-N-T-Y-T 70. S-E-V-E-N-T-Y-T 70. Next number is 80. E-I-G-H-T-Y-T 80. E-I-G-H-T-Y-T 80. Next number is 50. F-I-F-T-Y-T 50. F-I-F-T-Y-T 50. The last number is 40. Write here 40. F-O-R-T-Y-T 40. F-O-R-T-Y-T 40. Okay students, solve this page number 107 on your maths workbooks. Allah Hafiz.